Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 GMC Terrain SLT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9142A. 59,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Pages with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.